Guys, welcome to Android Project 360 channel. So we are launching one Android project based on the artificial intelligence. So basically, this is the AI-based accident detection system project. It is an Android application using the Kotlin as a programming language, and also we have migrated this to Java. And like you will get this project using like you will get this project in two languages, Kotlin or the Java. You can do the choice. You can choose one of the language. Now I will walk through this presentation so you will get better idea about this project. So basically this is the AI powered accident detection and the multi-role emergency coordination system for the faster emergency responses. So this basically uses the AI ML TensorFlow model for the accident detection. So basically it will take the decibel values or the sensor values from the user device, and using this model it will just compare those values with this ML model, and will send the notification as this accident is detected. For the backend technology we have this Firebase real-time database, and also for the authentication we are using this database. Also we have some Google Maps API for the accessing the location, and for this, like this is the alert based system, so we are using the Firebase cloud messaging FCM for the push notification and for the SMS as well. So we have basically three models: user module, ambulance, and hospital authority. So this is the navigation flow of our application. We have first launch screen, then we have a login sign up, and user will come to the dashboard, and on the dashboard basically we are detecting this accident, we are like starting this accident detection. And also we have this contact and emergency screen and my account and settings. Okay, so this is the some high level flow for the ML detection pipeline. So we are like getting the sensor data input from the user device, and basically it reads the accelerometer and gyroscope readings. So this is the like Android, so this is basically coming from the OS, Android OS, and applicable for all the Android devices. Then second is this tflite model inference, which analyzes the some motion patterns. Then we have like predefined confidence threshold level. It basically checks the detection score meets the criteria or not, and then finally it will trigger the accident. Yeah, and then next we have this some low level, like low level design for this user screen. Like we have multiple screen in this application, so this is some uh, high level flow of this screen. Then this is the same, like for these three modules basically we have these three activities, and this functionality shows like how this activity will perform. So basically for this and yes, so in responder role screens we have these three modules, and each module has its own functionality. So basically as you can see, this ambulance driver has uh, contains this victim's profile and medical information. He can just see all the details of the user, his current location, and the emergency contact number as well. And he can just directly update the status whether the ambulance is allotted or not. The same goes to this hospital authority as well. The next we have this notification and alert system, where we are sending this background and foreground notification to the user. Next we have this some technical architecture. This is useful for you if you want to like integrate some other feature as well. Yeah, thank you. So next we'll see the demo of this application. Take the demo of this Android accident detection application. Yeah, so this is the splash screen of the application. Yeah, so after launching the app, so the app says this needs to access the location. So we need to grant the access to these permissions like access location, then phone state, then SMS, and then record the audio. So I will click on this OK. Then the system pop-up will appear on the screen to accept the permission. So we'll allow all this permission. Okay, after that we have this sign in page where user and ambulance driver or the hospital authority can do the sign in, and below that we have this create account button. So after tapping on that, it will ask like whether we want to register as a user, as a hospital authority, or as an ambulance driver. So first we'll do the registration as a user. Yeah, so the app will ask a few of the user details, like its first name, last name, then contact details. So we'll enter it, then we'll enter the contact number, and contact number must be 10 digit. And as you can see, this message is appearing here as all the details are encrypted and only shared with verified emergency contactors, because once we log in we need to add the emergency contact as well to start the accident detection. We'll tap on save and continue. Okay, then we'll do the registration here. So I will add the username here as a xc detect. Then I will enter the password as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digit. Then we'll enter the blood group as A positive. We'll tap on this create account. Okay, as you can see, this dashboard screen is appearing where we have this live telemetry data, and we have some of this option here, like it is displaying the current speed. Then we have this GPS signal as a lock. It means like we already have allow the location permission. So if I tap on this live telemetry data switch button, then the noise level and this gravitational force, that is the accelerometer values or the sensor values, is appearing here. And so before that, we need to add the emergency contact. So if I tap on the start driving, it will navigate to this contact screen where we need to add the emergency contact. So I will add the emergency contact details. I will enter the name as an emergency person, then we'll enter the phone number here. Okay, after that we'll tap on the save contact. So it will add the this save contact. And so we need this contact, because like once the accident is detected, then it will send the message to this number. So we need this contact number here. So user can also edit this contact number by tapping on edit. So we'll update this number as, and we'll tap on confirm update. So as you can see, this number is updated, and I can also delete this number. For now I will keep it as it is. Then I will go to the detection status here. Okay, so now after tapping on start driving button, we'll receive the notification as this accident detection system has been started. So as you can see here, this noise level and the acceleration, like sensor levels, are detected here. And also the current speed is my 0, because the device is not moving as for the demo purpose. I'm showing you only on the basis of this noise level and the sensor values. So I will just shake my phone, and as you can see here, we are getting this send message screen where we are sending the alert message to the emergency contact number. And also like we are getting this two notification here. If the accident is detected, if it is false, then we can just tap on this false alarm button. Then this message will won't be sent to the emergency contact number, and accident will be cancelled. But now like this accident is detected. As you can see here, I'm showing ambulance system and hospital system in the same application. So as you can see, we are getting this notification for the hospital authority and the ambulance. And on the screen we are displaying this message as you are currently in accident status, tap to stop. So if we want to stop, then we can stop here. But like we need to see other feature as well. And also below the screen we have this view assign hospital button. So after tapping on this, it is displaying the address of the assigned hospital, its distance, basically latitude and longitude. So let me go to the ambulance system. So after tapping on this notification, like we are displaying this map, basically map here. So on this map, user can see the, like ambulance user can see the user's location, like where the accident is detected. And also we are ambulance user can see these details like date, current date and time, his location and the response status, basically here. So he can update once he reached that location, so ambulance allotted. And he can also see the user detail as well, like this abcd and this username. and the contact details and the blood type. So, and after tapping on the view assign hospital, so he can just directly reach to this hospital by seeing the hospital name. After I will tap on this update accident status. Now the status is been updated. Now I will go just back and I will do the logout here. Okay, now I will enter the hospital, like I will do the sign in for the hospital authority. You can do the similar process like for the create account for the hospital authority as well. So like I will need to tap on this create account, then you can just select the register as a hospital authority here. I have already logged in, so I will enter the username and password and we'll do the sign in here. As you can see, this basically this location is being displayed here based on the coordinates, and address is being displayed here as well. That's Venkatesh Hospital, Katraj. And you like hospital authority can update the address as well at this point, and also like any other details if he want. And also like he can just view the active accident here. So as you can see, this accident is detected here. If I go inside it, so I can see the impact details here, like speed levels, sound levels, and other data as well, emergency information as well, and also like what is the current action here. So basically the ambulance user has already alerted as ambulance alerted at the user location. Now hospital authority is just update here as a user drop at hospital or the user admitted at the hospital. And also the hospital authority also see the user details here. Okay, so now I have updated the status. Now as you can see on the this dashboard screen, I can see this user admitted at hospital status, and also this message will be sent to the emergency contact number as well. Okay, so that's it about the hospital authority. Also there is one more feature in this application, like user can I will first do the logout and we'll sign in back as a user. Okay, I think I sign in as a ambulance user. I will sign in as a user, normal user. Okay, now like in this setting, user can adjust the alert volume here, and also like here he can also edit his profile from this my profile section. So I will just update the blood group here. It is saved. Now I will again go to, as you can see, this is updated here. And also like now I will stop the accident detection system here. Yeah, now as you can see, this message will disappear from this screen. Okay, we'll do the sign out. And that's it for this demo.